Welcome to our captivating journey into the world of the Great Blue Heron. The Great Blue Heron, Ardea herodias, is a magnificent bird species that captures the imagination of nature enthusiasts and birdwatchers alike. With its impressive size, striking appearance, and fascinating behavior, the Great Blue Heron holds a special place in the avian world. In this video, we will delve into the captivating world of the Great Blue Heron, exploring its physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, ecological role, conservation status, and significance to human culture. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this remarkable bird and gain a deeper understanding of its importance in our natural environment. The Great Blue Heron is an impressive bird in terms of its size and stature. On average, it stands between 3.2 to 4.5 feet tall, 97 to 137 centimeters, making it one of the tallest herons in North America. In terms of wingspan, it can reach an impressive span of 5.5 to 6.6 feet, 167 to 201 centimeters. As for its weight, the Great Blue Heron typically weighs between 4.6 to 7.9 pounds, 2.1 to 3.6 kilograms, with males generally being slightly larger than females. Its substantial size and robust build make it a remarkable presence in wetlands and coastal areas where it is commonly found. The Great Blue Heron exhibits a striking and unmistakable appearance. Its plumage is predominantly blue-gray, with a subtle mix of black and white accents. The feathers on its head and neck have a distinct shaggy appearance, further adding to its unique charm. During the breeding season, adults develop long, delicate plumes called aigrettes on their heads, necks, and backs. These plumes are a beautiful display of elegance, often used in courtship rituals. Juvenile Great Blue Herons have a more muted coloration, with grayish-brown feathers, gradually transitioning into adult plumage as they mature. The Great Blue Heron possesses several notable features that set it apart from other bird species. One of its most remarkable characteristics is its long legs, which enable it to wade in shallow waters and traverse through marshy habitats with ease. These legs are adapted for stealthy hunting, allowing the heron to move slowly and gracefully while searching for prey. Additionally, the Great Blue Heron boasts a long, sharp beak that aids in capturing its food. The beak is yellowish and possesses a dagger-like shape, perfectly designed for spearing fish, amphibians, and other small aquatic creatures. These specialized features contribute to the heron's successful survival in its preferred wetland habitats. The Great Blue Heron is predominantly found in wetland environments, where it thrives amidst marshes, swamps, estuaries, and coastal areas. These habitats provide the heron with an abundant supply of food sources, including fish, frogs, small mammals, and invertebrates. The heron's preference for wetlands is also influenced by the availability of suitable nesting sites, such as tall trees, reed beds, and shrubs that provide shelter and security during the breeding season. With their adeptness in both aquatic and terrestrial environments, Great Blue Herons have adapted to thrive in diverse wetland ecosystems. The Great Blue Heron boasts a wide geographical range, spanning across North, Central, and South America. In North America, it can be found as far north as southern Canada, and its range extends southward into Mexico and parts of Central America. The heron's distribution also extends across the Caribbean islands and reaches as far south as northern South America. Its ability to adapt to various climates and habitats has contributed to its widespread presence in both rural and urban areas, making it a familiar sight to many birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. While the Great Blue Heron is known to be a resident species in many regions, it exhibits migratory behavior in certain parts of its range. In areas where winters become harsh and food sources become scarce, some populations of Great Blue Herons undertake long-distance migrations to seek more favorable conditions. These migrations often occur from the northern breeding grounds to southern locations where milder temperatures and adequate food supplies can be found. The timing and distance of migration can vary depending on the specific population and environmental factors, but generally, the herons embark on their journeys during the fall and return to their breeding sites in the spring. These migratory patterns highlight the species' adaptability and ability to navigate vast distances in search of suitable habitats. The Great Blue Heron is a skilled and patient hunter, employing several techniques to capture its prey. One of its primary hunting methods is known as standing still. In this technique, the heron remains motionless in shallow waters, patiently waiting for fish or other aquatic creatures to come within striking distance. With its keen eyesight and precise timing, the heron swiftly plunges its sharp beak into the water, impaling its prey with remarkable accuracy. Additionally, the heron utilizes a stalking technique, slowly and stealthily moving through the water, using its long legs to wade silently toward unsuspecting prey. This calculated approach, combined with its sharp beak and lightning-fast reflexes, allows the heron to secure a successful catch. As opportunistic feeders, great blue herons have a varied diet that primarily consists of fish. They are known to consume a wide range of fish species, including small fish such as minnows, as well as larger fish like trout and catfish. In addition to fish, the heron's diet may also include amphibians, reptiles, small mammals, crustaceans, and even insects. The heron's long beak and neck provide it with the flexibility to reach into water, vegetation, or even on land to snatch up its prey. With its voracious appetite, the great blue heron plays a crucial role in regulating fish populations in its habitat, maintaining a balance in aquatic ecosystems. Breeding season is a significant period for the great blue heron, marked by elaborate courtship displays and the formation of breeding colonies. These colonies, known as rookeries, are typically located in tall trees near wetland areas. During courtship, male herons perform visually captivating displays, including aerial flights, exaggerated postures, and ritualized calls to attract potential mates. Once a pair is formed, they engage in nest-building activities, constructing large stick nests high above the ground. The female lays a clutch of 3 to 5 eggs, which are then incubated for 25 to 30 days by both parents. Both male and female herons take turns incubating the eggs and providing food for the growing chicks. The nesting colonies serve as a hub of activity during the breeding season, with the constant hustle and bustle of adult herons caring for their young. The breeding behavior of the great blue heron demonstrates their strong familial bonds and dedication to ensuring the survival of their offspring. The great blue heron plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of food chains within its ecosystem. As an apex predator in wetland habitats, it preys on a variety of organisms, primarily fish, but also amphibians, reptiles, and small mammals. By regulating the population sizes of its prey species, the heron helps maintain the overall health and stability of the food web. Through its hunting prowess, the heron controls the abundance of certain fish species, preventing overpopulation and ensuring a diverse and sustainable ecosystem. Moreover, the presence of the great blue heron exerts selective pressure on prey species, promoting the survival of individuals with traits that enhance their evasion skills, thus contributing to the overall fitness and genetic diversity of the prey populations. The great blue heron has a significant impact on local ecosystems beyond its role as a predator. As it moves through wetlands and forages in water bodies, the heron inadvertently acts as a disperser of seeds and nutrients. Seeds from aquatic plants and other vegetation often become lodged on the heron's legs or caught in its feathers, enabling them to be transported to new locations. This unintentional seed dispersal helps facilitate the growth and expansion of plant species, contributing to the diversity and stability of wetland ecosystems. Furthermore, the heron's presence and activities in wetland habitats can also influence nutrient cycling processes. Through its feeding habits, the heron contributes to the transfer of nutrients from prey species to the surrounding environment, influencing nutrient availability and cycling within the ecosystem. Overall, the great blue heron's ecological role extends beyond its direct predation, making it a vital component of the intricate web of life in wetland ecosystems. While the great blue heron is not currently listed as a globally threatened species, it still faces several threats that impact its populations. Habitat loss and degradation pose significant challenges to the heron's survival. Wetland drainage, urbanization, and the destruction of nesting sites disrupt the heron's breeding and foraging habitats. Pollution, including water pollution from pesticides and industrial runoff, also poses a threat to the heron's food sources and can negatively impact its health. Additionally, disturbances caused by human activities, such as recreational boating and disturbance of nesting sites, can disrupt breeding behavior and cause stress to the heron population. Climate change and rising sea levels also pose long-term challenges by altering the availability and suitability of the heron's preferred habitats. Efforts are underway to conserve and protect the great blue heron and its habitats. Conservation organizations and government agencies work together to establish and manage protected areas, including wetland reserves and wildlife refuges, to safeguard critical heron habitats. These protected areas provide the heron with undisturbed breeding grounds and ample foraging opportunities. Restoration projects aim to rehabilitate degraded wetlands, ensuring the availability of suitable habitats for the heron and other wildlife. Conservation initiatives also focus on raising public awareness about the importance of wetland ecosystems and the need to minimize human disturbances in heron habitats. These efforts include educational programs, citizen science projects, and guidelines for responsible recreational activities near heron nesting sites. The Great Blue Heron holds cultural significance in various societies and has been revered and depicted in folklore, art, and literature throughout history. In many indigenous cultures, the heron symbolizes patience, grace, and wisdom. The Great Blue Heron's majestic presence and unique appearance have inspired countless artistic representations, including paintings, sculptures, and poetry. The heron's connection to wetlands and its role as a sentinel of the natural environment make it a powerful symbol of ecological balance and harmony. Across different cultures, the Great Blue Heron continues to captivate and inspire, serving as a reminder of the beauty and importance of the natural world. Birdwatching has become a popular recreational activity, and the Great Blue Heron is a sought-after species for birdwatchers worldwide. Its impressive size, distinctive plumage, and remarkable hunting behaviors make it an exciting bird to observe in its natural habitat. Wetlands and coastal areas that are home to the heron often attract birdwatchers eager to catch a glimpse of this magnificent bird. Birdwatching not only provides opportunities for enjoyment and appreciation of nature but also promotes conservation awareness. Observing the heron in its natural environment encourages a deeper understanding of its behavior and the importance of preserving its habitats for future generations. Individuals can contribute to the conservation of the Great Blue Heron and its habitats through simple yet impactful actions. Respecting posted signs and barriers near nesting sites is crucial to avoid disturbing breeding herons and their vulnerable chicks. When engaging in recreational activities such as boating or fishing, maintaining a safe distance from heron rookeries and foraging areas helps minimize disturbance to their natural behaviors. Reducing the use of harmful chemicals, such as pesticides and fertilizers, helps prevent water pollution and ensures the health of the heron's food sources. Supporting local conservation organizations and participating in citizen science projects, such as monitoring heron populations and reporting sightings, can also make a positive difference. By adopting these conservation tips, individuals can actively contribute to the well-being and long-term survival of the Great Blue Heron and the ecosystems it depends upon. In summary, the Great Blue Heron, Ardea herodias, is a magnificent bird that captivates both birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts with its impressive size, graceful presence, and remarkable hunting techniques. This iconic species plays a vital ecological role as an apex predator, regulating prey populations and maintaining the balance of wetland ecosystems. While facing threats such as habitat loss, pollution, and disturbance, efforts are being made to conserve and protect the Great Blue Heron and its habitats through the establishment of protected areas, restoration projects, and raising public awareness. By respecting their habitats, appreciating their cultural significance, and actively participating in conservation initiatives, we can ensure the long-term survival and well-being of the Great Blue Heron, preserving its legacy as a symbol of the natural world's beauty and ecological harmony. We hope that this journey has ignited your curiosity and appreciation for the world of Great Blue Herons. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest insights and discoveries in the realm of the Great Blue behavior.